In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your Stripe account, a seamless process that will set you up to take full advantage of this powerful payment processing tool. Whether you're embarking on a new business venture or integrating Stripe into your existing operations, I'll guide you through every step, ensuring you understand the essentials and feel confident using this platform. To kick things off, you'll first want to visit stripe.com. Once there, look for the button that says Start Now or Create an Account to begin your journey with Stripe. Selecting this will lead you to the registration page, where you'll input some basic details. You'll need to provide your email address, full name, and draft a robust password. A strong password is crucial here, so consider using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security. Once you've filled this out, submit the form to proceed. Next, you'll need to verify your email. Keep an eye on your inbox for an email from Stripe. It should arrive shortly. Within this email, you'll find a verification link. Click that link to activate your account and fully unlock Stripe's features. Taking this step ensures that your email address is confirmed, which is vital for receiving important communication from Stripe. Now, it's time to activate your account to access live payments. After verifying your email, log back into your Stripe account. Click on Activate Payments to begin setting up your platform for processing real transactions. At this stage, you need to provide some key information. Start with your business details, your legal business name, address, and the type of business you are operating, whether that be a sole proprietorship or a larger company. Following this, input your personal or owner information, which includes your name, date of birth, and contact details. This information is essential for identity verification and compliance. In addition, you'll need to set up your public or statement information. This is how your business name will appear on receipts or customer statements, aiding in transparency and customer clarity. To further verify the legitimacy of your business, be prepared to provide a website or an online presence. This could be a business website or an active social media page. Don't forget to link your bank account information, as this is where Stripe will deposit your payouts. You might also explore optional features like automated tax collection or participating in Stripe's climate contribution program, which can add value to your setup. With your account nearly complete, secure it with two-factor authentication or 2FA. Stripe strongly recommends this added layer of security, and you can choose to receive codes via SMS, use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Authy, or employ a physical security key. This step is critical to protect your account from unauthorized access. As a final optional step, consider starting in test mode. Stripe provides this sandbox environment, allowing you to explore and run test transactions using fake cards without the risk of affecting your live environment. It's a fantastic way to familiarize yourself with Stripe's functionality and ensure that everything is working smoothly before going live. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your Stripe account. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in getting started with Stripe.